Okay, my name's Emilio. I'm from Argentina. Right now I'm farming in Tenerife in an urban plot. It's around 700 square meters. This video is to apply for the Market Garden Masterclass Scholarship. And right now we're in our little caterpillar tunnel. I bent this myself and the whole structure. It has its flaws, and that's why mainly I want to apply for this scholarship and be able to take the master class, because I want to learn the appropriate techniques and tools that I need to use to not be wasting any more time. Right now in our farm, I'm really concentrated on learning lean methods to run a farm, and I think that if you're approaching those methods, the first thing that you have to do is learn how to grow vegetables correctly. So I think this masterclass will give me the opportunity to know what appropriate tools to use, how to plant everything. This caterpillar tunnel, for example, is from, I started this plot last year on June, and right now it has some crops from last year, and now we're transitioning to some smarter choices. And so we have, right now we're putting tomatoes and lettuce, and also this last few months we've been changing. We started this farm with a really permacultural point of view about everything, which is not incorrect and which states the basics for a lot of things, but there's a lot of nuances within everything. So we started using harder mulches, and we found a lot of problems with that. So last year we lost a lot of production and a lot of time doing that, and now we're transitioning to a compost-based mulch, and we see that it may be more expensive. It may be more labor expensive also, because we have to do our own, because here a cubic meter of compost costs 90 euros. So right now we're doing that. I'll show you later. We have our chicken systems. We have eggs also. So we're doing a lot of things. We're also trying to cut some things, because I know I'm probably taking on more than I can. But okay, so right now I can afford to pay 9 euros the cubic meter, and I know I want to put a lot of compost in this. So this is what I've been doing my last year. The last 5 or 6 years since I've graduated from finance, from my finance degree, I've been dedicating it to studying agriculture, self-teaching myself. I did some internships. So this is what I've learned so far. This is what I'm doing right now. We have these hoops inside the tunnel, since here in Tenerife, where I am, we had no winter, but on March we start to get the rain and the cold. So I have this little tunnel that I close, a low tunnel inside the high tunnel, if you may say, and I close it at night to maintain those temperatures. And once again, I would love to take the master class to learn if this is what I should actually be doing. For example, here I used to have regular sprayers inside the high tunnel, and then I realized that I had to use these ones because they don't have, they stop the drip. So it's all of those things that I would like to learn in this master class and stop losing time, get a better quality of life. Mainly right now I'm working 24 hours 7 days a week, and it's beautiful to see the changes that are occurring, but I also want to make this more possible, more accessible to people. If I can make it accessible to myself, I'll never be able to make it accessible for the rest of the people. And I think it can be really profitable, and it's a great lifestyle. You're working outside all day and living the good life, but you have to make the correct decisions, and it's better if you learn from people who already made the mistakes and who are all constantly looking at what the best practice is. So thank you. Hope you vote me for the masterclass, and hope to learn with you really soon and get integrated with that community. Also, I want to have access to all that people that are also making mistakes and see what they're doing, what they're up to. Thank you.